Hey y'all, Orico Guy here, and this is a personal cloud enclosure. I like to refer to it as a NAS, network attached storage. So what I'm going to do is install, within this video, I'm going to install a hard drive, show you step by step how it's done. So I've got a separate hard drive here. This is 18 terabytes, and you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find both the hard drive like I'm using and the NAS enclosure. So let's go ahead and cut into this. Boom! Chop, chop. Okay, so we got that. Got our hard drive, and you can see the interface here. The beauty of this is that this is magnetic, so all I got to do is lift this off. And then I see the part where the SATA, serial ATA connector is, and I stick this down with that facing this direction. And basically I push it down, and you can see in there, I don't know how well you can see it in this video, but there's that connection it's got to make. So you gently push, ooh, and then you twist this, and you'll see here when I twist that, boom. So that's holding the hard drive in place. That's it. And now all I got to do is put the magnetized top back on it, and boom, there it is. That is how easy it is. Didn't have to use any tools. I had to use my knife. Had to use my knife, man, to cut that anti-static sack. But that's all I had to do, man. It's that simple. So you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order the enclosure and then also the hard drive like I'm using. That's actually an 18 terabyte hard drive. So I got a lot of storage here on my local area network, my LAN, L-A-N. Thanks for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Orico Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.